All right, I just received this wireless lavalier microphone in the mail, so let's take a look and see what we get. All right, so it looks like we've got the insert for the iPhone right there. You can see it's got one of those lightning connectors. Let's set that down. And then right here is the actual microphone. There's the mic. Okay, got that. And then I think it comes with some instructions. This is just a placement. We don't need that. These are the instructions. We may need those. Let's hang on to those. And then last but not least, let's set that down. I'll set that in there. And let's see what we get in here. I think it's like a USB cord, I would imagine. I do believe. Or it might be something else. We'll have to take, oh, look at that. It rolls out like that. Interesting. So this all comes with a little bag that you can put it in. That's kind of cool, right? And so here we are. It's USB-C to regular USB. And that's, I guess, to charge it. All right, so anyway, I do believe that we have to charge this microphone. So, and take maybe this thing off of here. It's a little protector. So I've got to plug this into the USB, which I do believe we have here. And then I'm going to go ahead and charge this. So I just go like that, and then we plug this into, you know, the back of the computer or any charge port that takes a regular USB-C. And I'm going to do that in a second. This you just put into the phone. Once this is charged, there's a little button here that you just click, and bam, Bob's your uncle. You'll be, it'll be working. And this is the little clip that goes on your shirt, and we're going to show you all that in a minute. All right, so anyway, this is the one that comes with it, but I don't need that one because I've already got a USB-C here that I can plug into it, and it's already connected to a power source. So I'm just going to go ahead and clunk this baby in there. I'm just going to make sure I have the right, yeah, that's USB-C. So we're just going to go ahead and stick her in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and let this charge up. See, it's red right now. We've got to let that charge. Once it's charged, we can go ahead and try it out. And then this just goes in the back of the phone. So we'll just leave those two right there, and we'll let them charge, and we'll come back when it's ready. All right, so the light is off. This thing is ready to rock. Okay, all we got to do is hook it up to the phone and see if it works. All right, so I'm going to try this now. And I press this. All right, so this light is on, right? And I would think that it would be working right now. You see this light? That light is on, right? So I'm going to go ahead and talk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got a green light. It should be working. So let's go back and see if it worked. Let's see if this worked. Let's see if this worked. Did it work? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Do you think it worked? I don't know. All right, let's check it out. I press this. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to go in the bathroom and see if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, it works, you guys. It worked. Okay, you got to get that green light. Once the green light's on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're good. It's not the greatest audio quality, but hey, better than nothing. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.